Activate your brain. Logical reasoning. Directions. Question numbers 1 to 5. Study the following information and answer the questions given below. In a certain code, the symbol for 0, 0, is and for 1 is %, and for 2 it is hashtag. For 3 it is %, and for 4 it is %, and for 5 it is hashtag. For 6 it is hashtag, and for 7 it is hashtag %, and for 8 it is hashtag. Which of the following will represent 14? A. %, B. %, and C hashtag. D hashtag %.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
Decimal number 14 should become ternary. 14 on dividing by 3 gives 4 as the quotient and 2 as remainder. 4 on dividing by 3 gives 1 as the quotient and 1 as remainder. Our number is 112, and substituting the symbols, we get %, hashtag. Which of the following will represent 31? A. % and and B. % and %, C %, D and %.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
(31) on dividing by 3 gives 10 as quotient, 1 as remainder. 10 on dividing by 3 gives 3 as quotient, 1 as remainder. 3 on dividing by 3 gives 1 as quotient, 0 as remainder. Answer is 1011. Which is equivalent to % and %. What could be the number which is represented in code language as hashtag and hashtag and hashtag? A. 170. B. 181. C. 199. D. 98.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
The equivalent of hashtag and % is 20,201. 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 plus 0 multiplied by to the power of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 0 equals 162 plus 18 plus 1 equals 181. Which of the following will represent the value of the product? 11 multiplied by 4 plus 2. A. Hashtag %. B. Hashtag and %. C. Hashtag and. D. Hashtag and hashtag.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
11 multiplied by 4 plus 2 is equal to 46. We have to write 46 as a ternary number. 46 on dividing by 3 gives 15 as the quotient, and 1 as the remainder. 15 on dividing by 3 gives 5 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. 5 on dividing by 3 gives 1 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Our ternary number is 1201, which becomes percent hashtag and percent. Please click the bell icon and subscribe to your channel. We will bring exciting problems to tickle your brain and spur it to action. Which of the following is percent and hashtag? A. 828. B. 880. C. 839. D. 353.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
Percent and hashtag can be written as 111,002. Let us convert this ternary number to decimal number. 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5 plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 0 equals 729 plus 81 plus 27 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, which equals. Option C is the answer. Five shelves are there that are marked M, N, P, Q, and R. The contents inside. Contents name. Shelf M 3 shirts. Shelf N 3 pants. Shelf P 3 coats. Shelf Q 2 shirts and 1 pant. Shelf R 1 coat and 2 pant. A man is blindfolded and he selects a shelf at random and takes out 2 pants. What could be the third product? A. A coat. B. A pant. C. A coat or a pant. D. A shirt.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
A blindfolded man picks up 2 pants. In shelf M and shelf P, we do not have pants. In shelf Q there is only 1 pant. He picks up 2. Hence shelf M, shelf P, and shelf Q are ruled out. Since he is blindfolded, he can lay his hands on either shelf N or shelf R, where there are 2 pants. Hence the third could be another pant or a coat. Option C is the answer. The blindfolded person selects 3 items from one of the shelf. and finds 2 coats in the shelf. Which of the following will not be present in the shelf? He has selected A. Shirt, B. Pant, C. Coat, D. Neither shirt nor pant.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
He has selected 2 coats. It cannot be shelf M. It cannot be shelf N. It cannot be shelf Q also. The third pyuki can only be another coat. And it can neither be a shirt nor a pant. Option D. Someone interchanges the labels of the shelf. And what is sure is, if a shelf is marked M, one won't find 3 shirts in the shelf. If another person, not blindfolded, chooses a shelf marked P and finds 1 coat inside and takes it out, which of the following he won't find in the contents remaining in the box? A. Coats, B. Shirts, C. Coats or shirts, D. Pants.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
A person chooses P. Given that it won't contain 3 coats, he finds 1 coat. It has to be shelf R. The other 2 items should be pants. It cannot be coats or shirts. Option C. A person chooses shelf N and takes out a clothing item, which happens to be a pant. And another person chooses shelf P and takes out a coat. What does shelf N contain, in addition to the pant taken out? A. 2 pants, B. 2 shirts, C. 2 coats, D. 1 coat and 1 pant.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
When a person chooses N, it is clear that it cannot be 3 pants. He takes out a pant. It could be shelf Q or R. Another person chooses P. It cannot be 3 coats. He finds a coat. Hence it has to be shelf R. Our person has chosen shelf Q, which contains 2 shirts and 1 pant. Answer, B, 2 shirts. A blindfolded person chooses a shelf at random and takes out a coat. Then chooses shelf E and finds 3 coats. Chooses another shelf and finds 3 shirts. Of the remaining, if the person picks the 4th shelf, which of the following is he likely to find inside? A. 3 pants, B. 1 coat and 2 pants, C. 3 shirts, D. 3 coats.
Can you solve it? In 20 seconds.
We have 3 shirts, 3 pants, 3 coats, 2 shirts 1 pant, 1 coat 2 pant. Person takes a coat. It could be shelf P or shelf R. Then he finds 3 coats. First it was shelf R. Now it is P. 3 shirts is M. What remains is 3 pants and 2 shirts 1 pant. Answer, 3 pants, option A.